Hi, this is John, and in this clip I'll be talking about clothing. You always want to make sure that you're wearing somewhat tight-fitting clothing. If you have too loose of clothing, you are more likely to get caught in one of the machines. Here you'll see my shirt is fairly tight. My jeans fit me good. They're not too baggy. If, say, you had a loose sleeve, it could easily get caught into any one of a number of machines that has a rotating blade or other rotating parts. Next, you'll see that my shoes completely cover my feet. I do not have sandals on or any other type of open-toed shoes. When working in your shop, you want to make sure that you are covering your feet so that you don't drop anything on it and injure yourself. Additionally, you'll notice that I don't have any watches or maybe a dangly necklace on. If you do wear those, make sure you remove them before working in your wood shop. Now, if you're going to be staining or finishing, you may want to wear some type of a shop coat to help protect your clothes underneath. However, since the shop coat is a little bit baggy, you'll want to make sure and remove that before you work on any equipment.